Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So it has been, let me take out this. So I decided that I'm gonna vlog today. I just got home. I put on my bag and my lunch kit and I'm gonna head back on the road because I'm going to Yokohama station to try and get some, I'm trying to get a coat or a sweater or something like that that I can wear to work because it's getting really cold right now. I need to get something that's warm, you know. So I'm gonna meet up with Stacia and we're gonna probably get some drinks after because it's Friday night and I have work tomorrow, but it's late in the afternoon, so I can be out a little late, you know. So I'm gonna head out on the road right now.
Hi guys, make sure that you subscribe to her channel and mine.
Yes.
We're trying to hit 1K.
Yes, so make that happen. Thank you for subscribing. This is fancy. What's my budget?
Yeah, what's your budget?
2,000 yen. I joke, me make you mad. We can never get a sweater unless it's a thrift store. But usually sweaters are like probably a 10 grand thereabouts. GU stop number 1. These are cute and they're very affordable.
This is why I don't like going into stores when I don't plan to spend, because there's always going to be something that I see and want. Kashoni,
Yeah.
what you call?
Me? Your ass is coming, man. I love this sweater. I think I'm gonna get it.
You should. These are essential. This will look nice with your leggings and your combat boots.
Alright, I'm gonna get it. Really need a work pants, you know. But I don't like buy pants in Japan because the crutches. What's the correct term for this? Because I say crutches.
You say what?
Crutches. The crutch is too long.
The crutch area, not crutches. The crutch area.
Yeah, it's too
supposed
long.
to be high-waisted though.
I don't like how them
I guess
fit.
because of how you're because I've purchased those before and
This, like this type of pants?
yeah, and I don't have a problem with them. Maybe it's how your body is shaped because you're also very petite.
Probably.
What do you say?
I don't know. Do I want these?
What are you looking for specifically?
Something that I can wear to work. I guess these are too much.
If you're in Japan and you want nice cute stuff, like Japan doesn't always have the like stylish stuff, but GU has like affordable stuff.
Yeah.
And the quality is real nice.
Yeah. I like these. I'm looking for like a fur type of thing.
This is cute. Oh, it feels good.
Yeah, this feels really nice.
3,000 something figure.
Call it 4,000. That's not that bad. These scarves look really nice, like high quality stuff. They're different colors. Sayonara.
No girl, it's skirt too long time.
I told you this ain't for me. Like, no.
Pull it up and miss it something, but miss it. Why are you pulling it up like that?
No, because I have on an undershirt.
Okay. I like the outfit, I just don't like it on you.
Yeah.
I think it's a tall girl outfit.
So not for me. So the skirt is, I know I'll take the top.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, let me try on this while I'm at it.
That's yours.
I feel like a Japanese.
You feel like it though?
I feel like with
A Japanese?
Whoa. This is big.
It's supposed to fit you? Fitted?
It's supposed to look cute, at least. Okay, I'll take it.
Okay.
Yeah, so this and this.
That's the smallest size that they have anyways.
Alright.
Close the door.
Alright, so I took the medium for this one because I know that I'm gonna be wearing a lot on the shirt since it's gonna be super cold.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. So yeah, it's simple. Alright, so this is a little big, but I
What
think
size is that? Small. It's a small.
but it's supposed to be worn big, so
Yeah, I think that's
I
fine.
think I can fix it though. But yeah, I like it.
Okay, so you're taking everything except the skirt.
Yeah, I don't need to try on this.
I don't think you need to.
This is the undershirt.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna go wear it. Alright, so I'm putting on my work clothes. Alright guys, so this is a self-service thingy. How do you use this later? Oh, language. Let me go to language. English. Continue. Okay, start. Please scan your app. No? Wow. So all of these items came up to 13,000. Okay, next. Number of items scanned. How many items do I have? One. Let me check. So confirm. Do you need a bag? Yes, I need a bag. One bag. Okay. So I'm paying by cash. Yeah. Pretty simple. Okay, I need to insert my money. Insert the money here. And now finalize. Okay. Done. Finish. Got my winter stuff. He's shopping for stuff for her new apartment.
Guys, watch my channel because I'm coming out with an apartment tour series. So if you're interested to see what the process is like to move in Japan as a foreigner, you want to stay tuned. You want to be subscribed because I'm giving you the content. Get me to 1,000 subscribers if I haven't said it already.
I bought something like that. Well, mine is a lot smaller
because your one doesn't have this amount of depth. And I want something that's more than 15 minutes. I'm so sick and tired because the one that I have, it's 15 minutes and sometimes I'm baking for 30 minutes. I have to be getting up every minute to retwist the timer. These are expensive, but cheap.
Yeah.
But it's nice.
Yeah.
That's the only one that they have?
Unless you want this old looking one.
They have nicer ones in Donkey, I would say. Like, this is so small. Like, what am I going to do with this? This is the one,
this is like the same size that I have.
Really? This is super small. Like, what do you bake with this?
Can't bake anything. There are 2 slices of bread. You toast it. See, look at the bread. They're showing us. That's all you do.
Only in Japan, guys, like fake bread. Like fake news in America. What are they about? 20,000?
What?
20,000.
That's not bad at all.
That's what I'm saying.
And it looks bigger than my fridge.
Yeah.
Well, let me see the bottom.
This is nice. For 20,000.
It should have the thing at the door to keep like cups and stuff.
But I mean, this is the freezer part, ain't it? This is the freezer part.
Okay.
And then, see the part with the cups, that the cups go?
Okay.
But for 20,000, this isn't bad.
Yes, not at all.
This is why I like coming to Nitori and Don Quixote. Nitori and Don Quixote to me are better in terms of quality. Yeah, if you're in Jamaica, it's like the Bashko of Japan, but the upgraded version.
When was the last time you slept on a bed? As in an actual bed?
I have a mattress. I don't sleep on a futon.
Well, this is what. No, when I went to Korea, I went to South Korea, I slept on a bed.
Oh.
So probably over a year.
I can tell you when I slept on a bed.
Oh, okay. Alright. PG-13. Guys, I forgot. I have slept on a bed.
Yeah, she slept on the bed. Don't be out here acting like you're not sleeping in bed. So guys, in Japan, they have something called a mattress bed. It's a mattress with legs. See? I think this says single, if I'm not mistaken.
This one. Oh, but this one looks like it has a bottom lid.
I think this is there's the mattress, and I think there's the frame itself.
59.
Okay guys, so it's dinner time, and I'm super hungry. Aren't you hungry?
Of course.
Oh my god, I'm
We are
tired
at
and
an
hungry.
Indian restaurant.
So we're at an Indian restaurant.
Let's
Kochi.
see.
So I'm going to peruse the menu now to see what I want.
So that's it. I want naan. I think I tried this. I don't
Definitely
really like
having garlic and cheese.
I want cheese naan.
For
That's what I
sure.
want. Cheese naan. Food has arrived. I got the keema curry, I think it's called. With chicken, too much rice, veggie. And what did you get? Cheese naan.
Garlic, butter chicken and cheese naan.
Okay. And I also got a cheese naan. You know that I ain't gonna finish all of this first, you know?
I'll help you.
And we got orange juice. We just left the hub, the British hub behind us, and we're heading home. Bye bye. Please
Bye,
remember
guys.
to subscribe. See you.